Do you know about the incredibly sad story of Laika, the space dog back in 1957? Russia was willing to do whatever it would take to win the space race. No one knew if the human body could withstand the lack of gravity. So that's when they turned to dogs for testing. Laika was a stray dog from the streets of Moscow, and she was probably so happy, thinking she finally found a home. Against her will, the scientists implanted sensors to measure her breathing and pulse, then strapped her into the rocket knowing full well they were sending her to the grave. The cabin was just the size of a washing machine. And as it launched into space, Laika was scared. Her heart rate tripled, the temperature inside room to 40 degrees Celsius, and after just 5 hours, Laika's heart stopped.